Planning your next vacation but not sure where to go? Welcome to an adventurous journey across the United States, where we'll explore the top vacation spots from coast to coast. Prepare to feast your eyes on breathtaking aerial views and dig into a treasure trove of detailed information about each location. And of course, we'll also share the best places to satisfy your cravings. So strap in and prepare for a virtual tour like no other. Stay tuned as we count down to the number 1 spot. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Big Apple, New York City. A city that never sleeps, New York is a bustling metropolis teeming with life and culture. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the tranquil oasis of Central Park, there's an adventure waiting at every corner. Don't forget to pay a visit to Lady Liberty herself, standing tall as a beacon of freedom for all. Now let's talk food. For a taste of authentic New York deli, head over to Katz's Delicatessen. Their pastrami on rye is legendary. For a sweet treat, pop into Serendipity 3, where their frozen hot chocolate has been a crowd favorite for decades. In New York City, you'll find a unique blend of history, culture, and cuisine that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Truly, New York City is a concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Now, let's move on to our number 4 spot. At number 4, we find ourselves in the breathtaking Grand Canyon, Arizona. A marvel of nature, the Grand Canyon offers vistas that leave you awestruck at every turn. Its immense size, vibrant colors, and dramatic landscapes are a testament to the power of natural forces. Outdoor enthusiasts will find a paradise in the canyon's miles of hiking trails, ranging from leisurely walks to challenging climbs. For the more adventurous, river rafting down the Colorado River promises a heart-pounding rush of adrenaline. When you've worked up an appetite, the Grand Canyon delivers with culinary delights as impressive as its views. The historic El Tovar dining room offers a menu filled with modern, sophisticated cuisine, served with a side of stunning canyon views. For a more casual setting, Bright Angel Bicycles and Cafe serves up fresh, locally sourced meals that are the perfect fuel for your canyon exploration. The Grand Canyon is a natural wonder that captivates everyone who visits. Now, on to our number 3 spot. Taking the 3rd spot, we are heading to the sunny beaches of Miami, Florida. Miami is more than just a beach city. It's a cultural melting pot brimming with vibrant nightlife, stunning architecture, and a food scene that is simply to die for. Imagine yourself strolling down the Art Deco historic district, where pastel-colored buildings from the 1930s and 40s line the streets, each with its own unique personality. It's like stepping into a time machine, but with a tropical twist. And let's not forget about Miami's culinary delights. Joe's Stone Crab, a century-old establishment, is famous for its succulent stone crab claws, a must-try for seafood lovers. Or perhaps you'd prefer a taste of authentic Cuban cuisine at Versailles Restaurant, where the Cuban sandwich is a crowd favorite. Whether you're a beach bum, a foodie, or a history buff, Miami has something for everyone. Miami is a tropical paradise that never sleeps. Next up, our number 2 spot. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the charming city of San Francisco, California. A city that's as famous for its iconic landmarks as it is for its culinary delights. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its majestic orange span, stands as a testament to human ingenuity, while Alcatraz Island whispers tales of the infamous inmates who once called it home. But San Francisco isn't just about breathtaking vistas and historical intrigue. Foodies will be overjoyed by the city's culinary landscape. Start your gastronomic adventure at Swan Oyster Depot, where fresh seafood takes center stage. Then sweeten your day with the world-renowned pastries at Tartine Bakery. Each bite will make you feel like you're tasting a piece of the city's soul. San Francisco is a city full of character and charm. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 spot. And the number 1 vacation spot in the United States is the tropical paradise of Maui, Hawaii. Imagine basking in the warmth of the sun on pristine golden beaches, or immersing yourself in the island's lush, verdant landscapes. Maui invites you to reconnect with nature and experience the exhilarating thrill of outdoor activities. From riding the waves on a surfboard, exploring the vibrant marine life while snorkeling, to hiking through the enchanting forests, Maui offers a myriad of unforgettable adventures. But the allure of Maui doesn't end with its natural beauty. This tropical haven is also a gastronomic paradise. Renowned eateries such as Mama's Fish House serve up the freshest seafood, while Lahaina Grill delights its patrons with an eclectic menu, all while providing breathtaking ocean views. Maui is more than just a destination. It's a sensory journey that tantalizes your taste buds, refreshes your spirit, and captivates your heart. Maui is a tropical dream come true, offering a vacation experience like no other. And there you have it, the top vacation spots in the United States. From the vibrant energy of New York City to the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon, the sunny beaches of Miami, the cultural melting pot of San Francisco, and the tropical paradise of Maui. Each one offers a unique experience, unforgettable adventures, and mouth-watering cuisine. We hope this guide has inspired you to embark on your next journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Safe travels, everyone.